Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the second video about 3D Slicer. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to simply download the software, install it and open the software and make familiar with all the general aspects and tools in the software. Don't worry, I'm gonna go step by step for every part in order to make sure that you understand all the specific details. In the previous video, I explained what 3D Slicer is and who might use this software. As I mentioned, medical students, researchers, and many surgeons use this software to convert medical images to 3D views in order to have a better perspective of a lesion or a structure. Okay, let's start downloading the software. First of all, as you can see, I have opened the Google. I search 3D Slicer. The first website that shows up is www.slicer.org. Okay, as you can see, it is very straightforward and simple. You click on download, and now based on the system and computer that you have, you can choose one of these links. Before I click on the latest release of the software for my computer, which is Mac, I can mention that if for some reason you need any older release of the software, you can access it through this link. Simply you can click on it and choose whichever version that you need. For now, I choose the version 5.8.1, which is the latest revision. And it starts downloading. Okay, after downloading and installing the software, this icon will be shown on the application list. Let's open it. It might take several seconds. Well, this screen is gonna be what you will see for the first time that you open the software. As you can see, there are 4 screens on the right side, which this one is gonna be the 3D structure that you've created using the software tools. And the other 3 screens show your imaging from 3 different views. And you can manage to evaluate your imaging from different aspects. And on the other part, we have a lot of sections and details. Don't worry if it looks a little complicated, but I will show you how to use each part. This first section is the home screen where you can load your cases. And on this list, we have a lot of sections and that we will gonna learn about them. But one of the most important sections that almost all of the work is done is in the segment editor section. And after loading your case, these tools is gonna be on and usable. And each of them does an exact work for creating a 3D structure. After loading your cases, you can use each part for create a 3D structure based on your imaging, revise it and correct it to be perfectly matched to the exact part in the imaging data. Okay. In the next video, I will teach you how to load a case and show it up on these screens. Then we will start creating a 3D structure using all of these tools and make it better step by step. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to ask me questions on the comments and click the bell button to be informed about the next videos. See you soon.